Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John and this is your Modern Tech Breakdown. Today I'm looking into OpenAI's latest delay in releasing its open weight model. Let's jump into it. All right, for the second time in as many months, Sam Altman has delayed the release of OpenAI's open weights model, this time saying that the company needs additional time to run safety tests and review high-risk areas. And notably, he did not give a timeline for when that work would be done. Now, if you believe that they are delaying the release for safety tests, I have a bridge to sell you. But let's have some fun speculating on what the real reason is. So if you recall, this model was supposed to come out back in June, but it was delayed then, with Sam saying at the time, we're going to take our time with the open model. So if you've been in a pressure situation like Sam is in, you'll know that when the team comes to you needing more time, your first question is going to be, well, if it can't be done on time, when can it be done? And if you read Sam's comment closely on the first delay, he said, expect it later this summer, but not June. So I highly doubt Sam made this timeframe by himself. This was clearly something that was discussed inside OpenAI. So I think we can assume that as recently as June, people inside OpenAI believed they could release this open model in July or August. But now if we look at Sam's comments on this latest delay, Sam did not give a timeline this time. So it seems possible to me that the team has blown through the first extended timeframe and hasn't made the progress that they expected to make. Now, what kind of activities could they be working on that are hard to predict how long they're going to take? I would speculate that OpenAI may be working on improving the model's performance against benchmarks, so-called benchmark hacking. Obviously, I don't know this to be true, but OpenAI has had a reputation as having the best models, and they've been fairly crafty with their bragging about performance against benchmarks. In fact, I covered in the past where back in December of 2024, it came out that OpenAI had been financially supporting the work of the nonprofit Epic AI to create the Frontier Math benchmark. And apparently there was a handshake deal where OpenAI agreed not to train their models directly on the answers to this benchmark. And I guess we're just all supposed to take their word for it that they didn't. But clearly, benchmark performance is important to OpenAI and its reputation. And if I had to guess, I think they are busy trying to tweak this model to perform better on some benchmarks, which really doesn't make the model any more useful. It's really just getting the model to memorize some answers for the evaluation. But before any OpenAI lawyers come after me, I obviously have zero evidence that this is what is going on. It just seems to fit the situation nicely and could be plausible. So for now, this is my guess on what's causing this delay for OpenAI. But what do you think? Do you have a better explanation for this shifting timeline? Leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you next time.